What's happening, guys? Welcome to another video. So today I am with the owner of the car. I prefers to remain anonymous, and so we are in a Mark 7.5 Golf R. Yeah,
that's correct.
Mark 7.5 Golf R. All right, so tell me a little bit something. I'm going to call you man. Is that all right, man?
Yeah, man.
Yeah. All right, so tell me a little bit about the Mark 7.5. What I know it's a facelift model from the obviously the Mark 7. So what's the difference between like the Mark 7 and this one?
There is quite a few little differences. I mean, body shape's still the same. It is literally just a facelift.
Yeah.
You got the better lights. Well, in my opinion, better.
What I mean, like headlights?
Yeah, all the headlights.
Yeah.
The front bumper. You get the little black plastic trims all around the car as well.
Yeah.
The diffuser's a little different.
Yeah. All that was standard though on the car.
Yeah.
Yeah. All the trim and the diffuser and everything. It was all
yeah,
standard,
all standard on the
yeah.
car. So you get the digital dash as well.
Yeah, I noticed that digital dash. I mean, I was in the RS3 yesterday, and this is a bit. It's totally different from this one actually. But
I think it's the Audi and the Volkswagen. They are the same. It looks different. It's the same concept.
Yeah, I mean, he had a G meter on his, power and torque.
Yeah.
Have you got all that on your one as well?
No, I've not got a power and torque. So you see in the middle, I've got the.
Oh yeah, it's on the head.
Yeah, you can change that to the G meter as well.
Ah, right, I see. I see.
Got a few different little options with those there.
Right, okay.
You can either have it in PSI or bar as well.
Right, okay.
Yeah, I believe the gearbox is different as well. I think it's a DQ381.
Okay,
7-speed.
Okay, and they've got a 6-speed DQ250 in it in the normal one.
Yeah, that's in the Mark 7.
Yeah.
You get a little extra as well, like the sweeping indicators.
Okay, yeah.
Standard.
Yeah, I like them actually. They're pretty neat, man.
That's about it, really, difference-wise.
What about power-wise?
I think you got an extra 10 horsepower, I think it is, or.
So what are these as standard?
It says 310 PS, so I think that's about 306 horsepower standard.
Yeah.
Obviously, this one's had a couple of little bits done.
So what have you actually done to this one?
Started off, I wasn't going to do anything. It's going to leave it standard, but you know what it's like with our lot on a Sunday.
Yeah, I know.
So I started off by just doing the induction.
Yeah. What induction are you running?
It is AirTech induction.
Right. Okay.
I also got the AirTech turbo elbow and muffler delete.
Okay.
So I had that done for a little while, drove it about with a stage 1 map.
And what did the stage 1 map give you?
We didn't never have it rolling roaded, but we were thinking it was around 340, 350 maybe.
Okay.
Something. It felt quick for what it was.
So that's quite a nice little increase just for like an intake and a map, isn't it?
Yeah, it was quite a nice little. You definitely felt the difference.
Yeah.
It was a big difference.
And did you have to get the gearbox mapped in as well?
I didn't get it done straight away.
Right.
It's been done now.
Okay.
That was, like I said, I've gone front mount intercooler on it now.
You got a front mount, yeah? What front mount you got?
AirTech front mount as well.
Got an AirTech, yeah?
We had a Miltech downpipe fitted.
Okay.
And then, to be honest, the rear section's just a cheapy, cheerful one.
Okay.
Cost, I managed to go for 150 quid off of Facebook.
So your Facebook's good for something.
Yeah, it's not, I mean, don't get me wrong, it's not your Miltech, it's not the best, but
yeah,
it does the job. The resonator's come from it.
Yeah.
So it makes a nice noise, happy days.
I mean, as we're driving now, just normal, can't hear nothing. It's quite nice, isn't it?
Quite refined, isn't it?
Yeah. So if you put your foot down, it's got a nice little drone to it, yeah?
Yeah, I mean, what it is with this, since it's been mapped, I find you have to re-put it into race mode again.
Right.
Then you start getting all the pops and bangs and
right, okay,
the better sounds and stuff. But yeah, it's still got a nice little run to it.
Yeah, cool, man. You got the front mount intercooler,
the induction, turbo elbow, and the decal pipe. We managed to get 403.
403, and what kind of torque you pushing out?
590 newton meters, about 430 foot-pound.
Nice. That was just like a little fourth gear pull. She pulls all right, doesn't she?
Not too bad. I do find that with this kind of car, it's off the mark. When you're on a standstill and you put your foot down.
Yeah. Have you done many launches in it?
Yeah, I've done a few.
Yeah. That's something we could try out today, maybe.
Yeah, definitely, mate. Definitely. That's what it's there for.
That's mad. That was crazy, man. That's mad. That was crazy, man. Have you been a passenger when you're doing launches before?
No.
How did it feel?
If well, put me in the seat there. Struggling to bring my head forward.
Now that, from that standstill, that felt quick.
It's like I was saying earlier, it does. From the off the mark, it feels real quick.
Give me a little rundown on your previous car history.
Well, you done my last car.
Yeah. 335D, yeah?
The 335D.
E90 one, wasn't it?
It was the E90.
Yeah.
The torque monster.
Yeah, that's it.
Yeah, it's a good car that was. Just kept getting too many problems. I wanted something brand new in the end.
Yeah, I don't blame you. What did you have before the Beamer?
Before the Beamer, I had a Mark IV Golf GTI.
Okay.
Quite smart, to be fair. The lad who had it before me done all the like flushed all the bumpers and everything in, and it had an R32 kit on it.
Okay.
I had a few problems with it. Again, it was one of those cars where you just kept throwing money at it.
Yeah, yeah. That's 1.8T life.
Exactly.
I'm in it at the moment, but yeah. But, oh, mate. Yeah, mate. And didn't you have a Scooby before that?
I did before that, yeah.
Right.
The version 6 STI.
Okay, nice one.
Wicked car that was, I've got to be honest. I loved it.
Yeah, yeah. What led you up to get this then?
Well, to be honest with you, the Beamer went into Avon Tuning to have the front mount intercooler done on that.
Yeah.
While it was in there, I had a courtesy car, and it was a Volkswagen Polo GTI.
Okay.
With the DSG as well.
Okay.
It was a 17 plate, I think, so it was brand new at the time. I'm quite a big lad, so it wasn't the best inside for size.
Yeah.
But I remember just thinking to myself, this car is brilliant. If it was a bit bigger and a bit faster, I could get on with this. I could enjoy this. You know what I mean? So yeah, when it comes to it, I thought I'd go and have a look at the Golf R.
Okay.
I had a look at the S3 as well. I do like the S3. I just preferred the Golf R, to be honest. It felt a bit more sportier, more hot hatch. You know what I mean?
Right. Okay.
But yeah, I fell in love with the Golf R straight away. As soon as I test drove one, I had to have. It's one of those.
Yeah. Okay. I hear what you're saying there, man. I hear what you're saying. It's a nice like linear delivery.
Yeah.
It's not aggressive. It's just very. Doesn't seem to be much lag in it either. You're still running a standard turbo, yeah?
Yeah, standard turbo.
What is it? The IS38 on these ones? Is
yeah,
it?
the IS38. Yeah.
38, right?
Yeah, like I said, a few people said about going for the bigger turbo and stuff, but as you know, with a few of our friends, is constantly in the garage.
Yeah.
It's just a daily, do you know what I mean?
So you're quite happy with the power that it's at?
Yeah, I'm more than happy with the power.
Yeah. So what's going to happen at the point where you're really used to it?
Well, it might be up for renewal then. Might end up going back and seeing what the Mark 8's all about.
Really?
Yeah, I'm quite tempted by the Mark 8 from what I've seen.
I haven't seen any of them yet. What are they like?
They do look quite a bit different, to be fair.
Really? What, shape-wise or?
Similar sort of shape, just the front ends are completely different. I've heard they're doing some hybrid with the Golf R as well.
Okay.
It's all things I've just seen in red on the internet, so you could never take it. Well, you can just saw on you.
Yeah, that's right. And you say this is your daily, yeah?
Yeah, daily, mate.
So how has it been for you as a daily? Have you had any problems with it? How long have you had it?
I've had it over a year now, about a year and 3 months.
Any problems?
None at all, mate.
Nothing at all?
Nothing at all.
Okay. And how long has it been running at this power?
This actual power has only been about a week.
Right, okay.
Yeah, I only got it back last week from having the front mount done.
Ah.
But it's probably run, before that I was running 390, I think it was.
Okay.
And it was running that for a good few months, no problem. The reason I went for the front mount was because I was getting heat soak problems.
Okay.
I got the open induction on there, it's not enclosed. I'd already spent all the money on it, and I thought to myself, I don't really want to change it all, because the VW racing ones, they are really expensive.
Yeah.
So yeah, basically we were getting heat soak problems, and then I started reading into it, and anything over 380 horsepower, you do get these sort of issues. So I thought, just for safeness of the car really, let's put a front mount on and a little bit of extra power.
It helps. Wow, that is very smooth, man, and that is very deceiving.
Yeah, you look down, you think, Jesus
well, I
Christ.
just looked down and I was like, really? Are we reading in KMH? Anyway, guys, listen, I'm going to draw the video to an end there. I've got to say respect to man. Nice one, man.
My man.
For bringing the car to the channel. Mark 7.5 Golf R, guys. If you like the video, please hit the thumbs up button. As ever, if you didn't like the video, still hit the thumbs up button. If you're feeling really generous, maybe consider subscribing. But until next time, guys, you lot know the score. You travel safe and peace out.
Yeah, hey yo, I'm feeling blessed. Now sit back and observe days I used to ride bikes. Pegs in the curve, swerve through traffic. Headphones on with Stillmatic. I'm lyrically inclined, push balls like I'm lifting weights.